The Dybvig Seed Cleaner has been sold around the world to government and state agencies, universities, research facilities, native plant seed companies, nurseries, and private individuals for over 60 years. It has been used to clean all sizes of seeds from grasses, flowers, berries, trees, and anything else that contains seed by separating the seed from husks, pods, shell clusters, cones, fruit, and all other types of pulp and pomace. Grass, flowers, brush plants, and cones are cleaned through a dry method. Fruits and berries are cleaned through a wet process where water is added. Some users have developed their own cleaning methods for different types of seed. The cleaner consists of a bowl with an exterior chute opening to a bucket or a bag with a spinner plate threaded onto a central shaft and a lock nut on top of the spinner plate. Stainless steel hopper that sits on top of the bowl and spinner plate also has an exterior chute with a gate that can be opened to empty into a bucket or a bag. The seed is cleaned by the product rubbing against itself, breaking up shell clusters, pods, pulp, or whatever else the seed is contained in. To clean small seed, the spinner plate is adjusted so the gap to the bowl is narrow enough so that the seed passes into the bowl and all the waste material stays on top of the spinner plate to be cleaned out of the chute in the hopper. To clean larger seed, the spinner plate opening is adjusted so the opening to the bowl is narrower than the seed, so all pulp passes through the opening and the seed stays on the spinner plate to be emptied out of the chute of the hopper. The 1 horsepower electric motor is mounted to a slide plate and a crank plate with spacers between the plate that allows the motor to move on the machine to tighten the belt drive with a simple turn of a crank. The machine comes with a manually adjustable pulley that allows adjusting the speed of the spinner plate. The machine must be stopped to adjust the speed of the spinner plate with this pulley. An optional spring-loaded pulley can be purchased that allows adjustment while the motor is running. The Dybvig Seed Cleaner is constructed with only the highest quality bearings and manufactured parts. Users report decades of heavy use with no problems or breakdowns. We do not know of any instance that a seed has not been cleaned, at least partially, by the machine, no matter the size of the seed or the toughness of the encasement.